Welcome my friends for the revision 2023 paper 2 question number 3. Make X the subject of formula. This is a topic on formulas and variation in form 3. So the first step is we realize that there's a square root on the denominator side, and that is especially where X is. So the first step is to square both sides. So if I can just do like this to bring the square on both sides, we are going to have a squared is equals to b squared, it is b squared, and x squared all over. Now this square on the denominator, it will cancel the square root. So we have x squared minus 9. Then we put here over 1. Now I can cross multiply my equation. So I have a squared will go with x squared minus 9 is equals to b squared x squared, because 1 times any number is that number. If I open the bracket, I'll have a squared x squared minus 9 a squared is equals to b squared x squared. Now I'm going to collect the like terms, and for this case, to collect like terms, it simply means to bring up the numbers with x together. So I'll bring on this one the other side, and the minus 9a squared, I'll take it the other side, so that I have a squared x squared minus, because this is a positive sign, it comes this side, it becomes a negative, b squared is equals to 9a squared. I hope now you are noting that anything that passes the equal sign should be changing its sign too. So if this one goes the other side, it becomes a positive. Then here, because we have a x bx, we have x, which is the common factor here, and that's what we are interested in. We are going to make it a subject. So if I remove x squared here, I'm left with a squared minus b squared is equals to 9a squared. So to remain with the x squared, it's just a matter of dividing both sides by a squared minus b squared, a squared minus b squared, so that this one will cancel. So the value of x squared will be 9a squared over a squared minus b squared. Then you are asked to find the value of x, not x squared. So what we do, we find the square root of both sides. So to find the square root of both sides, the square cancels the square root. Yeah. So value of x will be the square root, and if you are making a subject of formula and you reach a point where you are going to put a major square root, you write positive or negative. And I have a 9a squared over a squared minus b squared. Now you can leave your answer like this, or you can also write your answer as find the square root of 9, which is 3, the square root of a squared, which is a, over this side we cannot find a square root. Remember, this one is a quadratic identity, so we just find the square root of a squared minus b squared. Now we shift the sign to be here at the bottom, and the one at the denominator has got a square root sign. Somebody else can still write that x is equals to 3a, then in bracket I can decide to open up and factorize this. It becomes a plus b, a minus b, then I find the square root plus or minus. All these three can be considered as the right answer. Thank you very much, and let us meet in the next question.